So let me show you the domains which having good reputation. Some domains like this is a domain. Ales boost, crux. So ales boost crux. If we go to that domain, this one. Spam is different, and then IP reputation is not showing a domain reputation. So it was somewhere high. It started. So in October 8. Okay, and then it started getting down. Just remember the dates. October 19th, it started down to the medium and then low and then, low and then right now it is continuing low. So let's go to that domain where it is. It's there in the warm up. Yeah. So it has a 0.8 bones. Okay. So right now it is delivering 500. I think it's a maximum. Every day it is delivering 500. So just increase it 1,000. Note down that point. Okay. 1,100. Okay. Yeah. So now I'll show you why it is, having that problem. So here, this is how you need to investigate, understanding your domain reputation, what went wrong and all. Checking domain reputation is not just important, because you have to check the delivery errors. Okay, so 20% delivery error, somewhere 19th. You understand the logic? These are the call insights. So exactly 19th, it got down to the medium. From there, immediately it got down to the low. That's where it got stuck now. You understand? Now still it is saying October 23rd also, we have a couple of delivery issues. Delivery issues majorly because of three things. One is very important is bounces. There is the business. If your emails are getting bounced, your domain reputation is gone. The delivery issues is a couple of important things. Major thing among them is the bounces. No matter how big your domain reputation before, like if even it is sending millions of emails, if your email is getting bounced, so we have to recommend to all of our clients, tell them that you have to verify your emails. You have to clean your emails. You have to keep your emails clean. No bounces, nothing. Bounce is very serious matter for the G Suite or any of the other, ISPs. If the bounces happen and then immediately it will get down. Got it? So increase the volume now. Since it's just a 500 per day and there are a couple of bounces, they got down. But if you increase it to the 3,000 and though there are a couple of bounces, it won't affect much because it's saying 20% delivery issue, right? 20% and 10%, 5% delivery issue. This is a percent. Say you delivered 10 emails, and out of 10 emails, 2 or 3 emails got bounced. That's why I was serious that day on Manoj because you guys are brutally, ignorantly keep sending emails, they're getting bounced. If one email got bounced, and then it is a serious matter. It's 100% delivery issue. You are thinking like only one email got bounced. No, it's not about the one email, it's about the percentage. Right? In JEE, percentile is very important. It's not about how many marks you got. How many people got the same marks? The same here, you may think that I just delivered 10, but one server you guys are testing, there I found 7 emails got bounced. And you guys never realized that one even got bounced. You have to cross check 10 times. And don't use the office emails. And say this is a final alert from me. Okay, don't use the office emails. So this is when, if it is cool enough, for example, here, if you see these delivery boxes, till here, I think it received a couple of bounces here as well. Just check it once. If there are any bounces, increase the volume of ales. Okay, this is M light up also. Increase the volume of current volume is 150 or 200 or 300. Just increase the little volume. Okay, and second thing, we are keeping here in manage pool around, I kept it 1 to 100. Okay, sorry, 1 minute 10. That's a good thing. The reason if you keep 2, 3, what is happening? We are using a lot of Gmails, right? These Gmails are unstable. Lot of Gmails we have, these are unstable. They get suspended anytime. Assume I'm explaining the real-time scenario. Assume you send 100 emails, 100 emails in the pool. They are releasing 3 emails per minute. So it takes the 100 emails, takes the 10 minutes, for example. 10, yeah, it's around 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, one email got the suspended, or 10 emails got the suspended out of 100. Then by the time it will be releasing from the pool to the actual SMTP, and then that email gets suspended. So one more important point that I understood is keep here always 1 to 10 emails at one go. So 10 emails at one go, at least in 10 minutes, all emails will be released. That damage will be reduced by 30-40%. Got it? So this is one more thing that you need to follow. All emails keep the, except unless I tell you any specific, 5,000 only. Okay. That is one thing. So second thing is, okay, one is a bounces. You said, well, it's cool. Then what is it next? The after bounces is a demark, SPF record. If SPF record having any issues, it's gone. If demark has any issues, it's gone. If demark never added to your system, it's gone. So first is the bounces, the high priority, then SPF record, DMARC, DKIM, all these records. If any of these records are not attached to the domain or doesn't exist, then it is tough for you to get the reputation of the domain. You understand? And they where you can check them in the authentication, you can see them. DKIM is success rate is good. SPF success rate, DMARC. So all 100%. You understand? So it has a demark because we bought the Gmail. So when we bought the Gmail for this domain, our system has an algorithm. It will add the demark by default. But the domains that we added now, I believe they don't have a demark. Now, how you need to generate the empty demark? For example, let's go to the mix domain. Okay. So I'll show you. I haven't added the demarks to the. I think demark. I need to add the demark for. Let me add the demark for this, okay? Go to the SPF, this thing. You can have a SPF demark generator of file. Okay, so demark generator, okay? You can use this one or this one, any of these two. Okay, so they are saying email is mandatory. I don't want email. Yeah, this you can use. Just put the domain. Okay, remember demarcation. Start creating it, and then it will ask you nothing yet, just collect the data. So we just want to collect the data, nothing we want to do, and then just say, and then it is going to ask you email ID. To which email ID that collected data to be sent. So I don't want to send. That is empty. Do you want to receive individual future failure reports? No. If yes, and then it will ask you the email ID. To which email ID you want to send it. Okay, relaxed. Keep the relaxed. DKM all relaxed. Do you want different policy master domain? Next. 100%. So then it creates. Okay, this is the demark. So it doesn't have anything, just demark for this domain. Okay, you will be simply adding this one. Okay, this is a demark txt record. This is a subdomain. You got it? These demarks I will add for these domains because you don't have access to these domains. This I will add. For the other domains, check the demarks is exist or not. If doesn't exist, create using this one. So how do you add it? I'll show you example of adding demark. Go to here and then we just want to check WarmupIP crux. Crux. Okay. Then go to here. It has already demarked because our system generates. So this two is not required. Okay, this is a subdomain you have to add. Okay, so this is, and this is the value. Got it? So for whichever domains doesn't have a demarc, add them. Demarc is important. Okay, so let me see. Then create lab hydro here. We'll create labs. It has 0 errors last 7 days, but it was having brutal errors, 100%. No email was never used to deliver. Okay. When it started 0, and then it got immediately high repetition. That's the important. That's why I become very furious, serious regarding if you miss adding any SPF records, not validated them. We have so many applications available where you can check the syntax, you can cross check twice and thrice. It's all about if one domain having high repetition, we can get one domain. If it delivers every day 500 emails, customers can get 10 appointments. It's unimaginable value that you are creating for the customer. Literally unimaginable. Just imagine how happy he's going to be. That is the quality of work we have to create. That's why I used to say you need to have fear and you have a sense of quality. If you don't have a sense of quality, and then we can't run the business. You understand? So you have to make sure these are the things done. And then you can check the authentication, how these authentications are working, all 100%. If anywhere you find something is not 100%, then something wrong. Somebody might be your colleague accidentally removed one record while adding merging SPF. Okay, so there is a chance that they can do any mistake. So randomly, it is a teamwork end of the day. If you say there is an issue because of one of your colleague, it is an issue of yours, not that guy. It's a teamwork. I can't sit beside you and tell you do this and that and all. You understand? It's a teamwork end of the day. Got it?